Welcome back to OrCAD Capture Tutorials. In this video, we're going to see how users can make components on an existing PCB schematic ready for simulation. In this completed layout design, some of the components are not simulation ready and will only work in logic to layout flow. To make these components simulation ready, we need to assign PSpice models. Select a component from the schematic which does not have a PSpice model assigned. Right-click and click Associate PSpice Model. This will show a prompt to save the design. Click Yes. The PSpice Model dialog will then pop up. Browse to the model file which has a PSpice model for this symbol. Once selected, the dialog will list all the matching models from the library in the Matching Models section. This model file has only one model in it, so we will only see one model name in the Model List section. On the right, we will see model text in the model text section. Use the model text connections section to map the symbols pins to the model terminals in the model mapping section. Once model terminals are mapped, click the Update All button to update all instances of the LM2902 component with the PSpice model. An information dialog appears with a list of instances which have this model association done. Click OK. Note, when new PSpice models are associated to components, the PSpice model file automatically gets configured with a project and a simulation profile, and it can be seen in the Model Library section in the Project Manager tree. Now create a simulation profile, add stimulus and supply voltage on the schematic. Place a few current markers to probe the current on the schematic. Click Run to simulate and start the PSpice analysis.